Robotic shopping cart and security system for RoboFest Worlds 2009. I think a robotic shopping cart is pretty cool because it just is there when you need it, and so for like the elderly or the disabled, they might not be able to push a shopping cart, so this just follows you around and it's there. And then also for parents with small children that they need to give their attention to the children instead of worrying about a shopping cart, you don't need to worry about the shopping cart. And also just for everyone to have two hands free at all times. It just is there.
For this, the first part, what this is good for more for store owners, and that's because it requires that they use their store benefits card, and it can keep track of the number of counts, and it makes sure there aren't any cards loose in the store.
So now we're going to demonstrate these two things separately because we have a limited amount of time. If you want to see it all put together, you're welcome to come to World RoboFest 2009 and see it all put together. We're going to start with the security system.
Yes. To begin with, I reset the microcontroller to optimize the program. Oh, by the way, the program is written in a C-based language, which is text-based also. So, to begin with, they'd scan their ID card, the gate rises, and when it rises it sets a variable to -1 to show that -1 card has been removed. So, now, the a store personnel would come and they'd hit the status button, which causes a red light to come on because one card has been removed. The red light will not go green again until either the shopper or a store personnel has scanned and caused this gate to rise here. When that happens, this gate adds 1 to a variable, to the same variable this one's subtracted to, so the light goes green.
Now, we learned quite a few STEM concepts in this. So we're going to, but before we tell you about that, we're going to demonstrate the shopping cart. Now, when the program is running, all you have to do is press this button, and so when the guy moves forward, the shopping cart will move forward and follow him. And then if the guy is to turn, the shopping cart looks with the ultrasonic sensor here until he sees it, and if he sees it, it stops because this is sending a signal to the NXT brick, which is sending another signal to the servo motors that's going to stop. We also have a light sensor here, a color sensor, that if this guy is to go off the table, and it sees that black, it will back up. Because the black, we don't want it going off the table. Now, we also learned some STEM concepts, like I told you. For science, we learned about light waves and light intensity, and also sound waves and electricity. So for technology, we learned some stuff.
We learned about the Arduino and NXT microcontrollers, both of which were programmed in text-based C languages. And we learned about electronics and mechanics.
And then for engineering, we learned about the whole development process, about designing something and testing it and then redesigning it for any problems. And for math, we learned some stuff.
Yes, we learned about angles and Ohm's law, positive, negative numbers, and logic.
So thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see it any more, like I said, you can come to World RoboFest 2009 and see it all put together. Or if you have any questions, you could ask them there. I just thank you for watching. We had a lot of fun doing RoboFest.